Good lead times, quality doors. At Lansing, we build our own line of premium entry door systems right here at our main facility in Evansville. Behind me, my coworker Zach is building a patio door. Let's go talk to him to learn more. All right, Zach, you're here building a patio door for one of our customers. Can you kind of explain what you're doing today?
Yes, I'm building a patio door with aluminum cladding. And right now I'm putting the finishing touches on, just putting that door in, getting it into place, and then putting the trim on and just put the rest of the door together.
Can you talk about the capabilities of our door shop team to build all kinds of doors, talk about materials, size, what's available when someone wants to order a Lansing premium miniature door?
Yeah, we can do all kinds of doors. We offer steel and fiberglass, and we get those in 2.8 and 3.0. We can also do that special order if they need different sizes. But then we also do single doors, patio doors, French doors, and sidelight doors. So we have a wide range of possibilities here.
That's awesome. And you talk about special orders. So you can produce some pretty standard sizes, right? But then also you can create custom sizes based on what maybe our home centers and lumber yards need.
Yeah, it's just whatever they need, custom size jams, whatever size jams you need, we can do that, and just about anything like that, yeah.